How to transfer money with Santander Bank. Welcome back to the channel, and let's jump right into this video. To transfer money with Santander Bank, all you have to do is open up your Santander Bank application. Make sure to log into your account. Now in here you will see the two options, that is pay and transfer. Select the option of transfer. Then select a banking account from where you want to transfer the fund. It might be your business or your personal account. You can select within the individual business or your personal account. If you have not added a bank account, you have to enter the bank details manually, both for you, the sender, and the receiver. Now, if you already have the banking statement of the recipient, just tap on the recipient banking account, or as I mentioned earlier, you have to mention it manually. Enter the amount of money that you want to transfer to the recipient bank account. Once you enter the money, all you have to do now is tap on Continue. For the final check, it will ask you to check for your details. Make sure that the details are correct. Then just tap on Confirm to confirm the transaction. Now once the transfer is sent, it will notify you. And it's a wrap for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.